Gate Chain Repair, robust solutions for your chain-driven gates. Discover the ultimate fix for your chain-driven gates. Gate Chain Repair offers robust solutions that guarantee seamless operation. Importance of timely gate chain repair. Ensuring prompt maintenance of the mechanism that operates gates with a chain-based system is crucial for maximizing their reliability and functionality. Durable sprockets for smooth operation. Implementing sprockets that are built to withstand heavy usage and provide smooth operation is crucial for maintaining the optimal functionality of gate mechanisms. Like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Contact Alpha Gate and Door Company at 817-381-7788 or visit our website at alphagatanddoor.com for all automatic gate needs.